have here a 2015 Scania P250 4x2 freight carrier with aero kit. This truck is fitted with a Serco 6.5 meter insulated fridge body. The insulated fridge body is fitted with rear doors, carcass rails, and a hook underbody sliding access ladder. This insulated body is fitted with a Thermo King T800R diesel electric refrigeration unit with in-cab control. This Scania P250 fridge truck has only 350,000 kilometers on the clock. As with all our vehicles, this truck is supplied with a roadworthy certificate, a jack, wheel spanner, spare wheel, warning triangle, and a 21-day temporary permit.
To contact us, find us at www.wolfautohouse.co.za or phone us on South Africa 011 66 22 828. We look forward to meeting you.